Thank you, Mr. President-elect. A lot of people are wondering what your inauguration is going to look like, considering
So am I.
considering that we are still in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic. So I would like to hear what you envision for the inauguration. Do you expect a scale-down event? You're still planning to take the oath on the west front of the Capitol? Will there be a parade? Will there be balls? What do you envision for your inauguration?
Well, first and foremost thing is we're going to follow, again, the science and the recommendation of the experts on keeping people safe. So it is highly unlikely there will be 1 million people on the mall going all the way down to the memorial. I think we'll see. We're in discussion with the House leadership and the Senate leadership as to what they plan for the inauguration, particularly those 200,000 spots they control. But I think you're going to see something that's closer to what the convention was like than the typical inauguration. First and foremost, and my objective is to keep America safe, but still allow people to celebrate and see one another celebrated. And so we're in consultation. My team is in consultation with folks who help us put on the convention, as well as with our colleagues, Republican and Democratic colleagues, in charge of the inauguration. My guess is there probably will not be a gigantic inaugural parade down Pennsylvania Avenue, but my guess is you'll see a lot of virtual activity in states all across America, engaging even more people than before. But that's in train now, and I'm not in a position to give you an example of exactly what it will look like. But I promise you it'll be available either virtually or in person for many. And my guess is there'll still be a platform ceremony. But I don't know exactly how it's all going to work out. The key is keeping people safe. I can't do a super version of the president's announcement in the Rose Garden nationwide. So it's going to have to be more imaginative. But I think, like I said, I think the convention we put on really opened up avenues that we never thought existed. And I doubt there will be another Democratic, at least a Democratic convention, that it's a straight like it always has been. I think we can include more people. People want to celebrate. People want to be able to say, we've passed the baton, we're moving on, democracy has functioned. But I wish I could tell you more, but as those decisions are made, they'll be announced.
Okay. And